Hey, good morning. We're about a week away from the video marketing workshop that you signed up for. Can you believe it's October tomorrow? Quick story, I was out taking care of stuff at camp, shutting off the water, dock, all that kind of stuff over the weekend, and there was one boat in the lake, and they happened to be water skiing. So, optimists right until the end, right? So listen, the reason I am shooting this note is I'm putting the presentation together for next Tuesday, and what I wanted to find out from you is what's on your mind, why you're coming, what kind of questions you have, what value can we bring as a group, and what can I do to make sure that you're getting the most out of your time. So if you could shoot me some questions, things you're doing you want to do more of or do better, how to, where to, all that stuff. I don't need deep analysis or long-winded stuff. If you want to, that's fantastic, so I can get a better understanding, but even bullets would be fantastic. The more questions and the more topics I get from you, the better the day is going to be. You'll learn from others and they will learn from you. So I am looking forward to hearing back from you. And we will see you. We've got a good group. See you next Tuesday. We've got a good group, varied industries. So I'm really looking forward to the questions. Shoot me a note and I will see you on the 8th.